Hello guys, today we are going to learn about some conditional statement in Python. So we are going to learn about the if, elif, and else statement. This provides a way to evaluate multiple conditions. As you can see, we have 4 conditions in this particular example. So our code will check from top to down which condition is true. In this case, for example, the code will print this statement because fruit is equal to mango. See, so the code will print the statement, the block which is true. I've created a variable called fruit and I've assigned a value called mango. But now if I change the value of fruit, for example, if now say the value of fruit is now apple, and if we run the code, now we see that the code print this statement, and that's how it works. So the code check from top to down. Now if we don't, for example, if we want to print the last statement, we can simply use something that didn't, we didn't specify in if and or elif condition, for example ABC. The code will print the last statement. See, if I assign a string orange, the code will print this statement. This is an orange. This is an orange. So this is how if, elif, and else statement works. Are very necessary in programming, and we are going to use it a lot. I hope you found some value from this video. Don't forget to subscribe